Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1970 for the Hit Parade 0304 Chrome Graded Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, May 4th, 2020. It's 10:18 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:18 p.m. Central Time, and 7:18 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have GT95 Mustang 7 spots, Ventura 3, LT 8, 2, Lake with 6, CB with 3, E-Rock 1, Laddie Cards 2, FRPU 2, Lamar with 1, and Jack with 2 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. We have Mustang on top, Jack on the bottom once. Twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Lamar on top, Mustang on the bottom. Let's see who's getting what team or teams. Lamar has the Hawks, FRPU Celtics, IT with the Bulls, Jack with the Cavaliers, CB Mavericks, Jack Nuggets, Lake with the Pistons, GT with the Warriors, Laddie Cards Rockets, E-Rock with the Pacers, Mustang Clippers Lakers, FRPU with the Grizzlies, CB with the Heat, IT with the Bucks, CB Timberwolves, Mustang Nets Hornets. We have Laddie Cards with the Knicks, Lake with the Magic, Ventura 76ers, Lake Suns. The Trailblazers are going to Mustang, Lake with the Kings, Ventura Spurs, and the Supersonics, Lake Raptors, Jazz, and Mustang with the Washington Wizards. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. Come on. There we go. Empty. Empty, empty. And we have for the Indiana Pacers, Jonathan Bender. If the camera would focus, there we are. Jonathan Bender. Going up for that block. Mint 8, 2003 Topps Chrome, Jonathan Bender. PSA Mint 8, very nice for the Pacers. Let's see who has the Pacers. Former 5th overall pick. Let's see who has the Pacers. And the Pacers are going to E-Rock 8. Congrats, E-Rock 8. And that was break 1970 for the 0304 Chrome Basketball Graded Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p2j-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to the 2020 Hit Parade Limited Edition Football Box 1976. Thanks!